Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make very beautiful bookmarks. Start by gathering your essential materials. You'll need a good quality cardstock, ideally around 65 to 110 pounds, for a sturdy base. Grab a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler for precise cuts, and your favorite decorative items like ribbons, beads, or even small charms. Don't forget a reliable adhesive, such as a glue stick or double-sided tape, to secure your embellishments. Now, let's design and cut your bookmark. A popular and practical size is about 2 inches wide by 6 inches long, but feel free to adjust it to your preference. Use your ruler and a pencil to mark these dimensions on your cardstock. Then, carefully cut along the lines to ensure crisp, straight edges. For an extra touch, you can round the corners using a corner punch or scissors. This is where your creativity shines. Begin by attaching a ribbon or tassel to the top of your bookmark. You can punch a small hole and thread it through. Next, adorn your bookmark with decorative papers, stickers, or even stamps. Consider adding a favorite quote or a small hand-drawn design for a truly personal touch. Remember to use your adhesive to secure everything firmly in place. To ensure your beautiful bookmark lasts for many years, consider a protective finish. Laminating it is an excellent option for maximum durability. If you don't have a laminator, a clear sealant spray or a thin coat of Mod Podge works wonderfully. Make sure to allow sufficient drying time, typically around 30 minutes to 1 hour, before using your new, personalized bookmark.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.